we have got pH of 7.23. The partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 36, while the bicarbonate is 14. The first question is whether it is acidosis or alkalosis. We will settle the issue of respiratory versus metabolic abnormalities later on. So first thing first, the normal pH over here, which is 7.35 to 7.45. This is the normal pH. So you can see here, so if the pH is below 7.35, it will be acidosis. If the pH is more than 7.45, it will be alkalosis. In this case, it's acidosis. So the first interpretation of this specific scenario is that it's a case of acidosis. Okay, next we are going to settle the issue of respiratory versus metabolic abnormalities. So to settle the issue between respiratory versus metabolic abnormalities, you have to look to PCO2 and bicarbonate. If the PCO2 is fluctuated, it's respiratory abnormality. If the bicarbonate is fluctuated, it is metabolic abnormality. In our case, bicarbonate is abnormal, so it means this specific case has got metabolic abnormality. So in this case, the abnormality is related with metabolic abnormality. How did we know? We actually checked PCO2, it's normal. In this case, bicarbonate is abnormal. Hence, we found out that this is a metabolic abnormality. Now, since the bicarbonate is less than 24, this case is of acidosis, metabolic acidosis we already got. Now we will check on the answer choices. There is a formula called Winter's formula. Winter's formula. It says that to know whether there is some concomitant disorder, mixed abnormality, you have to know the Winter formula, right? The Winter formula says 1.5 multiplied by bicarbonate plus 8 plus minus 2. So this is the Winter's equation. Now in this case, 1.5 multiplied by 14, right, plus 8 plus minus 2, right. Now it's 21 plus 8 plus minus 2, which is equal to 29 plus minus 2. And now it is 27 to 31. It means the expected PCO must be between 27 to 31. Right. In this case, you people can check that the PCO2 is 36. It's more than 31. See over here. So it means that there is concomitant respiratory acidosis along with metabolic acidosis. In these answer choices, respiratory acidosis plus respiratory alkalosis. This is not the correct option, right? Then you got metabolic acidosis plus metabolic alkalosis. It's also not correct option. Metabolic acidosis with respiratory compensation, it's not correct. Metabolic acidosis with mixed respiratory acidosis, it's absolutely correct. How did we know? We checked that PCO2 should be 27 to 31. But over here, the PCO2 is more than 31. It's 36. So we have got metabolic acidosis with mixed respiratory acidosis.